Faculty, staff, administration, and athletic staff would like to welcome you to Watertown High School and thank you for attending today's press conference. At today's conference, Megan Belch will announce the school in which she has received a scholarship to play lacrosse for during the fall, as well as sign her letter of intent. At this time, I'd like to recognize some special guests in attendance today. To my immediate left, Megan's brother Josh, Megan's father Gary, and Megan's mother Sue, along with former coach Fazio. Also like to recognize some of their friends, both Matt and Tara Strader. Also, Mr. Peck, our high school principal, Mrs. Atkins, our assistant principal, Mr. Bussler from TV7, Megan's coaches over the years, Mr. Burr, Mr. St. Croix, Ms. Rosette, Ms. Vecchio, Ms. Whitney Vecchio, and Mr. Kendrick. And of course, all of our teammates and friends here in the athletic program at Watertown High School. At this time, to get things started, I'd like to ask Mr. Fazio to come up for a few comments regarding Megan. Mr. Fazio.
Well, this is a very festive occasion for Megan and her family, and I just want to thank the Belches, Detective Belch and Mrs. Belch and Megan, for asking me to speak today. It's quite an honor to do that. I'd also like to congratulate the Belches. They have put in so much time, so much effort, and they have supported Megan to the very end. I know that there's a lot of time spent during the season as well as off season, when you have to travel all over the North Country, all over sometimes in the different states. And it's all paying off for them. Now to Megan. Megan, congratulations on your letter of intent signing day. This is very exciting. It doesn't happen often, Megan. You should be very, very proud of what you have accomplished. Not only are you a great athlete, but you're also a great student. And the icing on the cake is that you're a great kid. Actually a great young individual. And that's something that coaches look for. And that's what they saw in you: athletic ability, hard work, and being just an overall great kid. Megan has only played this game for 3 years, Megan. She started in 9th grade. Now you figure 9, 10, 11, that's 3 years. And look where she has come. And that is because of her hard work, her diligence. Megan would, after practice, say, "What do I have to do to get better, Faz?" And I'd say, "Megan, get on that wall." And Megan was on that wall morning, noon, and night. Megan would play catch with her brothers, if they, maybe with a baseball glove, because they didn't play lacrosse, right? That's okay. We'll forgive you. But you know, Megan, and she did work hard, and she deserves what she's getting today. This letter of intent is a really big honor. And, you know, it is a privilege to have Coach Megan. She was always there. She never complained. She did what she had to do. And just a great overall kid to coach, and it was a privilege to coach her. She'll do great at Tiffin. She has the hard work ethics, she has the academic ability, and certainly the athletic ability. And so with that, Megan, I wish you luck. I'm sure you will make us proud, and we congratulate you on today's signing letter of intent to Tiffin University in Ohio. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Fazio from Case Middle School. And now at this time, the moment Megan's been waiting for, and I know this is a big moment, It takes a lot of stress off her as well. Megan will sign her national letter of intent along with a family member and witnessed by Mr. Fazio as well. Again, this is the real Megan Belch. Signing. And again, signing to Tiffin University in Ohio. Congratulations. And now I'd ask for a few words from Megan. Megan, if you could come up.
Thanks to everyone who came here to celebrate with me today. I would like to thank my parents for supporting me in every way possible, and both of my brothers for teaching me that no matter how hard you are working, someone else is out there working 10 times as hard. Thanks to Eric Kendry for helping me train and pushing me to work as hard as I can. A special thanks to Mr. Fazio. You have helped me through so much as a player and in making decisions. You made lacrosse fun for me, and for that I am thankful. Without you as a coach, I would probably be nowhere near this podium. I would also like to thank Whitney and Nancy Vecchio and all of my Patriots coaches. You helped me with my skill work and have made me the player that I am today. I am going to Tiffin University, and I've been asked why Tiffin. Well, I chose Tiffin because of the possibilities. Possibilities are what I started lacrosse on, and it seems fitting to me to go to a school where I have a chance for more possibilities to come. Again, thank you all for coming out today. It really does mean the world to me.
Very nice, Megan. I'd like to add that Megan is going again to Tiffin University. They are a member of the GLIAC conference, which is in the Great Lakes. Also, this is a third-year program. Head coach Connie Dixon has seen Megan a few times and has kind of beaten many people to her, as many other people have seen her at recent lacrosse events as well. So again, we're very happy for you to be in the GLIAC conference, playing against such teams as Mercyhurst, Gannon University, Notre Dame, schools of that nature. As a staff, again, we want to congratulate Megan, her family, and members of the athletic programs here at Watertown High School. This is a great accomplishment. We're certainly proud of you. Again, best of luck wearing the green at Tiffin University next season. And always remember, as you've heard before, you're the home of the Cyclones, the purple and white. Thank you and congratulations. We'll be having a short reception after, and family and friends are more than welcome to enjoy the refreshments that we have. Thank you. School is still in session for those that are wondering.